Right.
What?
She up top of my head.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I ain't seen me. I put it down, I put it down.
Yo, do that again. Oh, the whistle. No, that's all the
Oh, it looks so fake, but real.
It do look fake.
Ooh, look at you. You on the fruit box.
Ew.
As long as in the cage.
To the jellyfish.
What else is in this town?
Big one right there. Go to the snakes.
Bro, that shit dead.
What if it's big in it?
Oh, jellyfish. I usually want one of these phones.
That shit grab you, bro. That shit over.
What is that?
It's a starfish. She's like different people.
You know, no. Zaza, no.
We're going to touch the animals.
It's not gonna hurt
Be careful.
Oh, shit, it's a snake.
Yeah, I see it.
It's a snake. Oh, that's it. What's that snake?
It's
Right there. You blind. Oh, Jesus. You blind.
Right, you can
See it? Yeah, he's not moving.
He just ate.
Yeah. I'm gonna use some of these for my YouTube.
I like this one.
I don't want to be in it too.
What is that? Is that a fish?
I don't know what type of fish it is. Yeah, man.
Well, I need to take a
You probably want to eat everybody. Oh, shit. What the fuck is that?
Right, what is that?
Oh, yeah, you posting up. When you posting this?
I gotta make a video. I gotta.
Well, then, make it soon. But that shit,
That's like Skylar times 50.
damn, I can't get a good food. I think the best shit is
Bengal cat.
Look.
8.
He in the corner.
Hey, big as shit. What's over here? Oh. Bugs Bunny, what's up, bro?
A sheep.
Oh, that's a she and he. Clean his bones.
You can see this. You can see that big green one. Big green one.
You see the shark? Oh, what is that? What is that?
This dog.
Look.
It's a dog.
Ew, it's so ugly.
What is that?
Oh, no.
Yo, look at this shirt.
Look at these sharks. Woo! Woo! Look at these sharks. Come on. Got green eel and reef sharks. Oh, look. Yes, do the butt. Okay.
And what are these green things?
Eels. Green eels. Uh-huh.
I like the feeling.
I want to touch it.
It feels good.
It feels good.
One at a time, one at a time. They get overstimulated.
Ooh.
Yeah, and I know if you come at them fast, that's,
Yeah.
that's not good. So you come.
Oh, I'm sorry. No, put it back on. Do the butt. You ain't paying it no more. Do the butt.
He said, fuck this.
Get out. The floor is dirty. Come on, you want me to do it? You want me to hold your hand? You want to look at the stuff together? But I ain't got no what you call it. No change. he just chilling out.
Oh, that's me.